Fitness coaches, creating reels and DMing people who engage with your content is a great strategy. Don't get me wrong.
First, you import your video. Next, you add your text and choose a font. Next, add a shadow and then resize and reposition your text. Add the entrance animation slide up.
Fitness coaches,
Add the blue strip as an overlay. And position it a little bit under the text.
fitness coaches,
Next, go to mask. Choose horizontal mask. Rotate 90 degrees. And then use keyframes to animate the sliding effect.
fitness coaches, creating fitness coaches, creating
Next, import the gym clip as an overlay.
coaches, creating
Now resize the image. Make sure it covers the entire viewport area. Then move it towards the left. Add the entrance animation slide left.
reels. Coaches, creating reels and
Now cut the text where
fitness
the
coaches,
image,
creating
before the image slides in.
coaches, creating reels and DMing
Now add a keyframe at the beginning of the gym
reels and DMing
image.
people who engage.
And add another keyframe towards the end. And then move it to the right. Move the image to the right.
Coaches, creating reels and DMing people. Fitness coaches, creating reels and DMing people.
Now go to effects, video effects, then look for the filter, blue mosaic.
Who engage with your content is a great strategy. Don't get me
Now make these changes to the settings.
who, who, who engage with your content is a great strategy. Don't get me.
Now select object and select the gym clip, the gym image.
Who engage with your content is a great strategy. Don't get me.
Next, import the body and the hand image. Reposition the hand so it sits nicely on the body. Now add the entrance animation slide up for both the body and the hand image.
DM DM and DMing.
Now add a keyframe, rotate the hand slightly, position it well, move a few frames forward, and repeat the process. Now import the black grid PNG image. Make it an overlay. Resize and rescale it. Now go to mask and choose horizontal mask. Invert it, and then rotate it 90 degrees and increase the feather. Next, import the lifting video. By the way, all the assets used in this video can be found in the link in my description. I'll make that video just imported and overlay. Now change the blend mode to brighten to get rid of the black background. Now go to adjustments, increase the saturation, increase the brightness.
Fitness coaches creating.
It's looking good.
Fitness coaches creating reels. Fitness coaches creating reels and DMing people. Fitness coaches creating reels and DMing.
Now for the smartphone typing, you can create the typing effect
Fitness
on
coaches creating reels and
jittered up
DMing.
video. Now to get the smartphone effect, go to animation, combo, and scroll till you find smartphone.
Engage with your content is a great strategy. Don't get me wrong, but there's an easier way to convert your followers.
This is the effect.
Fitness coaches creating reels and DMing people who engage with your content is a great strategy. Don't get me wrong, but
If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more. And if there are any effects you want me to recreate on CapCut, please let me know down below in the comment section.